Good morning, class, and welcome to this lesson on Geometric Optics 10, Diverging Lens Ray Diagram. Today we will be able to draw the ray diagram for a diverging lens. And just like we did with a concave mirror and a converging lens, a diverging lens, a diverging lens is kind of similar to a convex mirror. Okay, similar to a convex mirror. So if you know convex mirrors, diverging lenses are going to be pretty simple. So just like before, we're going to draw three rays. Three rays. I'm going to show you all three. And for testing or any problem purposes, you only really need to draw two, but I'll show you all three, and you can pick which two you want to do. Okay, so the first ray, as you can see here, the first ray is going to be parallel to principal axis, and its extension is going to go through the focus. Okay, its extension is going to go through the focus. As you can see here, this is the extension of the ray going through the focus. Ray 2 is going to head toward the focus on the opposite side. So you can see here it's heading towards this focus on a straight line. And after it hits the mirror, so after the mirror, it's going to move parallel to principal axis. So you can see here it's heading towards the focus on the opposite side, and then once it hits the actual lens, it's going to move parallel to the principal axis. And the third ray, the simplest ray, is going to be a straight line. Straight line through center. Straight line through center. Okay, so let's look at how to draw a ray diagram here. As down here, I drew a convex mirror. And the object is going to be right here, or the image is going to be right here, not the object. Okay, so the object or the image is going to be right there. So let's see how these are similar. So our first line is going to be parallel to the principal axis, and then its extension is going to move through the focus. So it's going to be about right there. And let me find a better tool to draw the extension, just like that. Okay, so we have the extension. The next ray is going to head towards the focus on the opposite side. So right there, it's going to head towards the focus. But once it hits the lens, it's going to move parallel to the principal axis, and its extension is going to head directly behind it, like that. And our third ray is going to head right through the middle, just like that. Okay, you only need to draw two of those, but as you can see here, the image is going to be formed right here. The image is going to be formed right here, and based off this, so for a diverging lens, our image is going to be smaller, upright, and a virtual image. And as you can see here from a convex mirror, our image is smaller, upright, and it's going to be a virtual image. So if you know lenses, if you know mirrors, you know lenses. And so diverging is pretty much the same as convex, except the light being reflected is going to head through the lens, and the ray extensions are going to meet on the same side and form a smaller, upright, virtual image.